Well, good evening, everyone. Hope everybody's had a lovely day. It's almost the weekend, and I'm gonna show you this here in just a second. While the month of May has been, we lost one of our dogs, and then the washing machine or the dryer broke, and then our printer broke, and then I had to put batteries in the golf cart. While there's a lot of things going on, and we've lost a good family member, we still got so much to be thankful for. Put a bed on the golf cart, a homemade bed, had an old water tank, put that in, and had an old battery, put that in. And then Dad said, well, you know, since y'all like watering so much, now you need a way to charge the battery. So this was his gift as a real thin solar power battery charger. I'm gonna mount over here. And it's this month's just been kind of tough. When it rains, it pours. I've heard that saying for years, and yes, that is true. When it rains, it pours. It does. But silver lining and all that is she got a better printer. We got a better washing machine, or a new set, better set. It's not high efficiency, which is a thumbs up in my book, because it's hard to get dirty clothes clean with a HE washing machine. All right, so what I'm gonna use on this, the way the solar charger is, it's got this box on the bottom, which is fine, but it's thicker than what the suction cups will allow for, so it rocks. Not a real good way to secure it. I think they're made to mount the other way, like to a windshield or something like that. But so what I'm gonna do, or what I've done, I took some PVC pipe. This is pretty secure already. I use JB Weld plastic bonder, high strength structural adhesive, ready in 15 minutes. This stuff works good. Dad's used it, I've used it. It's two different compounds. You mix it together and you put it on whatever you need to bond together. Works great. It's been 15 minutes. This one's still a little loose here. This one's pretty well bonded. As long as you don't get it caught on a tree limb or anything, you'll probably be all right. So how this will work is I've got it where this little box is right in this groove here. Because that's where your battery indicator, if it's getting sunlight, if there's a short, if it's charged for charging, is right here. I can take a little mirror and look underneath without drilling any holes, cutting anything. Put it right here on this seam with the channel here. I can take a little mirror and look underneath there and see what it's doing. So I'm gonna mix up some more of this epoxy, and we're gonna put it on top of put it on the suction cups here. Actually, I think I'll put it here on the PVC first. Reason I'm doing this is so I can, or Candace, either one, can be watering the garden with our onboard water and be charging the battery. Now this is like a battery, so trickle charger style solar setup. So it's not no quick start or nothing, but it'll still trickle in some maintenance. Well, it's maintenance. basically. Alright, let me turn it over here. We'll mount the front two here first. And it ain't gotta be centered as long as it's on there. Then we're gonna mount the other two back here as well. Let me go find me something heavy to put on. This should work. Pretty heavy. It's flexible too, so you ain't gotta worry about breaking it. It's real thin and flexible. Like I said, as long as you ain't gonna get close to no trees and stuff like that, you ain't gotta worry about it flying off. If you're needing an all-in-one plastic bonder, pick you up some of that. I got it at Lowe's. I believe most auto parts stores have it too. Great stuff. So I'll give this 15-20 minutes to set up, and then I'll be back. That stuff is awesome. It moves a little bit, that's because of the movement between the pegs there. That ain't going nowhere. Now what I need to pick up tomorrow, pick up some more of this and a little 1-inch mirror so I can look underneath here and see what's going on. That's good as gold there. You can see the setup here. This is nothing fancy at all. Well, it's too low there. So we just got the, you see I have mounted the indicator. I will take a little mirror and shine up underneath there and see what's going on. And we'll zip tie this all the way down and we'll make it look nice and pretty. So we got the pump from here mounted to the battery and this clamps on top of it. We'll see how this works. And I'll get my tester out, my voltmeter. Tomorrow is supposed to be sunny again, but this weekend is going to be pretty well cloudy and rainy and cold or chilly compared to what we have been having. And we'll see if we get any voltage on it then. So that's pretty neat setup. Thanks, Dad. I think that's gonna work pretty good because when we watering, usually it's in the middle of the day, or when Candace waters, usually in the middle of the day. So I think that's gonna work really good. So thank y'all for watching. Later.